Home sweet home for Charlotte FC, back at Bank of America Stadium for the third straight game after spending most of the spring on the road, bringing the 1980s Carolina Lightning.
One of the best kits I've ever seen in my life.
Look at this crowd.
A little unconventional. Charlotte FC wearing the homage to the Carolina Lightning kit. It is officially called the Heritage Kit. It is highlighter yellow with a light blue trim.
We're underway from the bank.
No me digas de quién fue porque ya se hicieron los ojos, ¿eh? Este mando de Mallorca aparece con su patria.
He's reacted time enough to at least get on it. It comes to Zaha, back to Marsh running into the area. Middle pass towards Campiello. He scores! A brace for Campiello! It is his world right now, and we're just living in it! The crowd belongs to Charlotte! Campiello's first career MLS brace gives Charlotte back-to-back wins at home to close a 3-game homestand. Charlotte a 2-1 victory over DC